Render appears set to lose 2.1% by July 8 per Traders Union. First, here's what the recent market picture looks like. As of now, Render has increased by 0.6% in the last 24 hours and is hovering near $1.61. Let's jump into analyst predictions now. Traders Union expects to see the price drifting toward $1.578 by tomorrow, down roughly 2.1%. CoinCodex believes Render may drift toward $1.603. That's a decrease of about 0.6%. Coin price forecast highlights the possibility of dropping to $1.61, an estimated loss close to 0.1%. Another forecast from CoinLore suggests Render could reach $1.62. That's an estimated gain of about 0.5%. Finally, Crypto Predictions sees $1.714 by tomorrow, 6.3% above current value. This is the most profitable call we've covered. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. Let's now explore how each forecast might play out. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decrease of 2.1% and an increase of 6.3%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Crypto Predictions shows the highest projected return, with 6.3% gain in value by tomorrow. Put simply, you could earn between $1 and $63 for every $1,000 you invest. Using volatility as the basis, Coin Price Forecast's forecast shows the strongest probability at 94.6%. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've mapped out a consensus path. The consensus forecast points to Render rising by about 0.8%. So, here's the breakdown. Consensus modeling indicates a 0.8% move higher. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 0.8% if the scenario holds. For every $1,000 put in, this scenario could point to about $8 gained. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 92.6%. To put it in perspective, here's what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. Traders Union expects the chart to lean bullish over this horizon. In this forecast, CoinCodex emphasizes stability, expecting Render to stay unchanged. The short-term picture, additionally noted by Coin Price Forecast, shows stability. The short-term signal from CoinLore is clearly bullish. An advance is meanwhile expected by Crypto Predictions, reinforcing a bullish stance. By aligning the individual forecasts, the consensus indicates Render showing upward movement throughout the 3-day period. Therefore, the outlook is unanimous: Render is tilted to the upside. Taken together, 100% of analysts favor an upward path, suggesting Render could strengthen. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. By the end of trading, the price was $1.616. Yesterday showed that just a minority of analysts matched the trend. Leading in accuracy was Traders Union. Let's look at the results more closely. 4 forecasts ended up inside the daily candle. For ROI, part of the group finished in profit, with the strongest outcome at 2.7%. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. As seen in today's data, 30 rates delivered 2.7% ROI and accuracy. Look closely. Who do you think gave the strongest forecast? Now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's potential returns for Render and other coins. Render isn't on top in this comparison since OKB currently leads with 2.6% potential growth. At the moment, you can see just 5 coins, and a more detailed return comparison is already published on my website. Enjoyed the breakdown? Give it a like and make sure you're subscribed for tomorrow's update. Alright, bye now.